Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to message someone on Twitter without them following you. So first of all, launch Twitter application. Now from here, just go to the search option and then let's search for a person's name. So I'm going to search for this name. Now go to the category of people. Now from here, tap on an account that you don't follow and you want to message. Now you can see a small message button just beside follow. Tap on it. Now over here you can see a pop-up that says only verified users can send direct message requests to people that don't follow them. So you have to upgrade your Twitter account to premium. So if you wish to have a Twitter premium account, you can see all these types of plans given here. You can also see the prices mentioned at the bottom of your screen. So this is basic plan. You can subscribe to premium or premium plus as well on your Twitter account. And then only you can message someone who doesn't follow you. So that's it for today's video. And at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.